Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you connect your Binance account with Google. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to tap to this mini icon into the top left corner. Tap there, and after tapping into there, select your profile. Now after selecting the profile, go to security section, and after going into securities you will get to see this account connections at here. Just tap to account connections, and now you will get to see connect with Google at very first. Just simply tap to connect, and after that you have to choose the Google accounts which you would like to connect with your Binance account, and after that your account will successfully be connected. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.